Joshy's got a globe and a magnifying glass. Dreams of volcanoes erupting in a blast. From Hawaii's Kīlauea to Iceland's icy glow. Joshy's on a mission, there's so much to know. Guatemala's mountains, smoke in the air. Mount St. Helens left a story to share. From the Pacific Ocean to the far north skies, Joshy's chasing magma with his curious eyes. He's on a mission, Joshy's got a plan. Exploring every volcano he can. The ring of fire calls his name. Joshy's learning, he's changing the game. Maps on the table, books piled high. Joshy's reading stories of molten lava that flows. He knows which ones are dormant and which ones will erupt. Pyroclastic clouds, the crater, the vent. Every fact he finds is time well spent. Hot spots bubble, tectonics collide. Joshy's got a front row seat to the ride. From a stratovolcano of Mount Vesuvius to Japan's great peaks, Joshy's curiosity never sleeps. Ooh, he's on a mission, Joshy's got a plan. Exploring every volcano he can. The ring of fire calls his name. Joshy's learning, he's changing the game. One day he'll climb those towering slopes, study their secrets, fulfill his hopes. With a notebook in hand and a lava-proof vest, Joshy's passion will pass every test. Ooh, he's on a mission, Joshy's got a plan. Exploring every volcano he can. The ring of fire calls his name. Joshy's learning, he's changing the game. Joshy in the ring of fire, watch him rise. With sparks in his heart and flames in his eyes. Volcano explorer, dreamer so bold. Joshy's story's a wonder to be told.